At the beginning you can see uh, there was issue of audio from another end. There was no voice. So for this purpose we need to do some setting in OBS, and further but so we will see what kind of setting we have to do in OBS. Let's check. So what kind of setting we need to do in audio? So you can go in setting, here in audio. Okay, so here you can select default, which type of audio is there, and depending on, now it is default the first one, so I will select another one with auxiliary mic. Now you can see there is a change in audio. So likewise we need to check each and every button. So speaker, high definition audio, disable, and likewise we can do the setting. Okay, so likewise one need to no, let me do setting again. Now I think it is there. Please check. Just a minute. Now audio is there. Okay, so there is no echo at all. There is no echo. If it is a echo is there, if no echo, please type in chat box no echo. So it is in loop. Okay, hello, my voice is clear. Is it audible, Jaya? There is a lag. There is a lag of 30 seconds. Okay, so and there is a no loop at all, na? So it means the repetitive sound will not. So let me start and discuss what kind of problem we are facing. If you look at the this preview video, if you click unmute, then there will be a repetitive sound. Just I am clicking unmute. Now you can see at the end, receiver end, probably there is a double sound. Okay, so let me start and discuss now what kind from my side also problem we are facing. There is a double sound. If you look at this condition, we try to mute this button so that there will not be any kind of repetitive sound or echo. So most of the time when we are doing live streaming, at that time this condition happens. So thank you, John, for joining. I'm just checking whether live streaming is doing okay or not. Yesterday I faced problem of echo sound because of some setting in OBS. So unfortunately there was unmute button, and because of repetitive sound was there. So So today's aim is to check whether everything is running proper or not, so that in future we should not do any kind of mistake in our setting. And yesterday I feel very bad because of a silly mistake or small setting. I have to i have to close my end streaming and I need to choose another platform. So it's my request to everybody that whenever we are going for live streaming, at that time we need to check whether our all setting are doing proper or not. And once we should think, yeah, I think everything is fine. Thank you, John. Thanks. So I need to say thanks. Thank John for your nice reply, and I hope that it will be useful. So unfortunately I unmuted the button, and because of that probably there will be echo. But one need to think that before going live streaming, don't go directly for live streaming. Check it once with your friends, just like our friend John. Okay. So my topic of upcoming streaming will be on computational fluid dynamics, introduction of computational fluid dynamics, and definitely I will post the link on FB, Facebook, and definitely that will be useful to everybody. So thanks, Aspire New Horizon. So that's a nice name. And just yesterday I I tried live streaming on the topic of intellectual property rights, but because of some issue there was a problem. It means some issue means it is playback sound or echo sound was there, and because of that I literally I try to end my streaming and I change my platform. I feel very bad at that time. So that is another topic of live streaming, that is intellectual property rights. If possible, I will do it again on uh, this platform, that is YouTube platform, so that all our friends from all over globe can easily access that things. So by this doing a small testing, I can say that it is very much useful. And right now my live streaming is working properly. Thanks John, and thanks Aspire. uh, it's from your feedback, it is properly working and good. Thank you, and have a nice day. By this I will end my this session, and thank you very much, and have a nice day. Thank you.